Guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin on Zengo. First of all, you need to open up the Zengo mobile app, and once you've opened up Zengo, put in your authentication code, and once it's done, Zengo is then opened and you'd see the buy option, the buy toggle, which is just here. Select buy. Once you selected buy, we're going to be purchasing Bitcoin, so click on Bitcoin. And now we're shown Banksar and MoonPay. These are different methods of getting yourself some of the Zengo. So you can either work with Banksar or MoonPay. Continue with MoonPay. Okay guys, and once MoonPay has opened up, all you need to do is simply select the currency you wish to buy. So I'm going to be using my local currency. You can do the same with the dollar or the euro. So let's say I want to get it for, click on continue, put in your email, click on continue again, and then proceed to enter the code that is shown. Click on continue and make sure you agree with the terms and conditions. Click on P2P bank transfer, and you're going to enter your bank verification number and some other identity verification that would be needed. But once you've done that, you would then be tasked with putting in your payment options. That's the payment channel, how you wish to pay, which could be from your Google Bank card or your debit card or your credit card. And that's how you can get yourself some of the Bitcoin on Zengo. Do comment down below if you've got any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.